Today we will start once again with the US election and crude oil price. Recently, if all have heard about the Libya production of crude oil, that's why we are getting the price fluctuating very much, and probably the oil price will remain lower prior to the US election. But the all asset classes majorly moves based on the liquidity, and here we have seen for last couple of years several rate cuts, bond buying, and all other efforts has been made to provide liquidity in the market. Nothing left to add on. We may see some sort of major bond buying or something special stimulus before the US election beginning of the November 2020. The crude oil price is the last hope to provide liquidity in the market. Hopefully, as I see the market before the election, we may have an experience, a horrible experience of correction followed by the recovery, where the market will be struggling and the people will remain afraid of. That kind of situation we are expecting very much before the US election. And earning growth of different companies that we are expecting not that much, because everything is under pressure, consumption in all the verticals under pressure because of cautious approach of COVID virus. So traders may have the scope, but not for the investors, as of I see. And more importantly, any pedigree, any stocks which is overvalued or illiquid must be avoided, because major fluctuation is found in that cases. And as far as the market spine is concerned, all about the banking and NBFCs, non-banking financial services, will have to take the lead to move on, and a sustainable growth is possible only in that cases. Unless and until we see the proper recovery of our bank nifty, we can say the recovery of the market is temporary, not sustainable. This is what I see for the market. And as far as the stock, I am concerned about only the promoter stocks which are listed in the Nifty segment only, because each and every Nifty stocks having a holding part of their subsidiaries in different companies. Suppose I am taking the Larsen and Toubro L&T, which has lot of subsidiaries and holding the stake. As we see, the lower crude oil price has beaten down the price of L&T. Now it's trading below 900 as of today. But we should remember that there is subsidiary of L&T Infotech, Mindtree, and other than their hydrocarbon business, they have lot of other verticals, and as such a pedigree getting at such attractive rate is very much value buying, I think, here onwards. Target almost 1000 rupees moving ahead and will be multiplied. L&T never deprived us, deprived investor, not even traders. So that much for today. Thank you. Good night.